This has been a weird winter in Ohio and a stormy one for some parts of the country.
Meteorologist Ben Gelber prepared us for a wild roller coaster winter. That was his long-range prediction back in autumn, all due to the Pacific El Nino event of historic proportions.
And Ben's here to tell us now to get ready for some more extremes.
Boy, Ellie and Mike, this has been an amazing winter. We enjoyed our warmest December, our latest first snowfall, which didn't come until January 10th. That beat the old record by a week. El Nino is this pool of warm water in the Pacific Ocean. It's impacting weather all around the world, from droughts in Asia and South Africa to flooding rains. There's also a strong subtropical jet stream that will be fueling severe storms, and it's not over yet. Here in central Ohio, our winter's been a walk or jog in the park with just a few blasts of Arctic air. The end of January is the midpoint of winter, and we received just a little more than 5 inches of snow in the Columbus area. Southern Ohio was hit hard last weekend with 6 to 12 inches as a blizzard engulfed the middle Atlantic region from West Virginia to New York City, nicknamed Snowzilla for its huge snowfalls of 2 to 3 feet. From space, the storm that also affected southeastern Ohio looked like a hurricane, much like a series of powerful storms that raked the midsection of the country in January with unusually strong winter tornadoes from Dallas to Delray, Florida. Although extreme winter storms occur every few years, there is extra energy this year in the atmosphere. Heat from the strongest El Nino on record in the eastern tropical Pacific, which fuels big southern storms that rumble across the country. California has gotten relief from a 4-year extreme drought. We know how exceptional this pattern is because the climate record is written in the towering forests. These giant coast redwoods in Northern California are an important indicator of climate change and how strong El Niños have been in the past. This year's historic El Nino is still going strong. Another Pacific storm complex is taking aim on the middle of the country early next week, with blizzard conditions in the upper Midwest and severe weather as far east as the Ohio Valley next Tuesday. And Jim and I know that even in El Nino winters, you can still get a big, heavy, wet snowfall. So we're not out of the woods, even though this is one of the lightest snowfall seasons on record.